Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this small vacuum that I got for my car. It's a great product. It's got a brushless motor, very strong suction. It's really slim, but really sucks a lot. I love it. It's perfect for everyday use, for pet hair, for kids. My kids are constantly dropping food on the floor, and this is good for everyday clean. It's got this piece. This piece also goes up for a little brush if you need to brush anything. Then it also comes with this little piece that you can attach right to the front. So this piece gets you in all the little corners. So this is really great. It's got this stand that you can put it away when you're done. So really cool. It comes with an extra filter and a charger. On this vacuum itself, it's got two suctions, 1 and 2, and it's got a nice LCD screen that tells you the battery percentage and the time also, which is really cool. Super easy to dump it. Open this piece right here and it opens up and you can clean it really easily. I love this vacuum. Highly recommend it. It really does work wonders. I've tried other ones and this one is really strong suction. Highly recommended. Hope you enjoy. Bye.